Hey there, love detectives! Welcome back to the Mind Detective channel. Today we're cracking the code on a question that plagues many of us: how to build a stronger bond with your partner and keep that spark alive. Let's face it, relationships take work. But the good news is, a few strategic moves can make all the difference. So, grab your metaphorical magnifying glass because we're about to delve into 8 secrets to make her want you more and create a connection that truly thrives. Secret number 1. Master the art of mystery. We're not talking about disappearing acts here. It's about creating intrigue and leaving her wanting more. Don't overshare on social media. Let your presence be a curated glimpse into your life. This keeps her curious and excited to discover more about the real you. Secret number 2. Ditch the desperation. Nobody wants to feel smothered. Give her space, breathe life into your own hobbies and interests, and trust that your confidence will be magnetic. If she cut ties because you seemed clingy, focus on self-improvement and show her you can be independent. Secret 3. Leave her wanting more. On that first date or even throughout the relationship, don't reveal everything about yourself at once. Keep the conversation flowing, but leave some room for mystery. Let her yearn to learn more about you, layer by layer. Secret number 4. Playful pursuit, not games. A touch of playful pursuit can be exciting, but don't confuse it with mind games. Show her you have a life, but carve out special time for her. Make her feel valued when you're together, with genuine interest and attentive listening. Secret number 5. Embrace new experiences, create unforgettable memories together. Plan exciting dates that cater to both your interests, or even explore something completely new. These shared experiences become the foundation of a strong bond. Secret number 6. The power of active listening. This is a superpower in any relationship. Put away distractions, make eye contact, and truly listen to her thoughts and feelings. Ask open-ended questions and show her you care about what she has to say. This deepens your connection and makes her feel cherished. Secret number 7. The art of the surprise. Her with thoughtful gestures, big or small. It can be a handwritten note, tickets to her favorite show, or simply picking up her favorite takeout. These unexpected moments show you're thinking of her and keep the romance alive. Secret number 8. Cultivate your own growth. Relationships are a two-way street. Invest in your own growth and passions. When you become the best version of yourself, it naturally adds to the richness of the relationship and makes you a more attractive partner. Remember, love detectives. These secrets are just the starting point. Every relationship is unique. Experiment, find what works for you, and most importantly, nurture the connection with genuine love and care. Thanks for joining us on the Mind Detective channel. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more relationship insights, and leave a comment below with your favorite tip for building a stronger bond. Until next time, stay curious, stay confident, and happy sleuthing.